A very good morning, students. Today we will finish the remaining portion of your chapter Flying Sikh Milkha Singh. Okay, so as you know that I explained up to here. Okay, so now we are going to start the remaining portion. Now look at your books. After joining the army, Milkha began his athletics training in earnest with his first coach Halwandar Gurudev Singh. Okay, he ran barefoot as he did not have running shoes or tracksuits. All he had was his enormous willpower. Guided and motivated by his coach, Milkha ran on the hills, the sands of the Yamuna River, and even against the speed of a meter gauge train. When he spoke about this later on, Milkha said, "I would race against the meter gauge trains that crisscrossed the Sikandrabad localities such as Bolaram and cavalry barracks." Milkha Singh worked hard and pushed himself so much that there were days when he fainted on the track due to exhaustion. On occasion, he even vomited blood during his training, but never gave up. So, as you know that Milkha Singh, when he joined the army and he was doing his training, he started his training as a new recruit, and he was also very much interested in athletes, especially in running. So after joining the army, Milkha began training with sincere efforts. And his first coach was, you can see here, Halwandar Gurudev Singh was his first coach. Okay. Now, in this paragraph, this has been told that how he did the training with rigorous efforts. You can see here he used to run barefoot without having any shoes, and he did not even have running shoes and track suits as well. So he was very much hardworking, and his willpower pushed him to do hard work. Guided and motivated by his coach, Milkha ran on the hills. Milkha used to run on the hills, the sands of the Yamuna River, and even against the speed of a meter gauge train. Meter gauge train actually is a small train having narrow rails. छोटी ट्रेन जो होती हैं, जिनकी पटरियां, रेल्स हम जिन्हें बोलते हैं, वो उनकी जो ब्रेथ होती है वो छोटी होती है. तो यू माइट हैव सीन स्मॉल ट्रेन like in hilly region. So the Milkha used to run against the speed of the meter gauge train. तो जहां से वो ट्रेन आती थी उनके अगेंस्ट में वो दौड़ता था. ठीक है. And when he spoke about this later on, तो Milkha said that I would race against the meter gauge train that crisscrossed the Sikandrabad localities. तो वहां पर Sikandrabad was the place where he was having his training, and he used to run against the meter gauge train. Crisscrossed का meaning होता है आड़ा तिरछा, है ना. Crisscrossed means intersecting the path, तो आड़े तिरछे जो रास्ते होते हैं, तो उस तरह से वो उन जो पाथ हुआ करते थे उस मीटर गॉज ट्रेन के, उनके सहारे वो प्रैक्टिस किया करता थी. Again, Milkha Singh worked very hard and pushed himself so much that he fainted. Fainted का means वो इतनी मेहनत करते थे दौड़ने में, उन्होंने इतनी जबरदस्त मेहनत की कि sometimes he fainted. Fainted means lose consciousness. थोड़ा बेहोश हो जाते थे वो, इतनी ज़्यादा मेहनत करते थे, वो कभी कभी बेहोश भी हो जाया करते थे due to lack of oxygen. And on some occasions he even vomited blood, और कभी कभी उनको खून की उल्टियां भी हो जाया करती थी due to rigorous hard work. But in the end he never gave up. He continued doing his training with utmost efforts, with great efforts, with hard work, and he never gave up. Okay, now next para. Milkha showed his extraordinary talent for the first time at the Services Athlete Meet 1955 when he finished second in the 200 meter and 400 meter race events. He bettered his timing and won both the events at the National Games in 1956 held at Patiala. Milkha went on to break the 200 meter and 400 meter records in the National Games in 1958 held at Cuttack. Cuttack is in Odisha. He clocked a world-class timing of 46.1 seconds at the 400 meter at the National Games in 1960. Now, Milkha Singh started participating in sports events across India. And first time his talent was adjudged at the Services Athletic Meet in 1955 where he got second position in 200 meter race and 400 meter race events. He again improved his timing and won both the events, यानी कि 200 मीटर 400 मीटर एथलेटिक मीट में उन्होंने सेकंड पोजीशन ग्रैब की और फिर अपने टाइमिंग को और अच्छा इम्प्रूव करते हुए उन्होंने सेम इवेंट्स नेशनल गेम्स में जीते. Okay, which was held in 1956 at Patiala. Milkha went on to break 200 meter and 400 meter records in national game in 1958 और उन्होंने 200 मीटर 400 मीटर के रिकॉर्ड को भी ब्रेक किया नेशनल गेम्स 1958 में जो कि कटक में हुए थे. ही क्लॉक्ड अ वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइमिंग. उनका टाइमिंग जो था वो था 46.1 सेकंड्स in 400 meter race नेशनल गेम्स इन 1960 और 1960 में उन्होंने वर्ल्ड क्लास का टाइमिंग दिया 46.1 सेकंड इन 400 मीटर. ओके, सो यस, नेक्स्ट पैरा. Look at your books. Milkha represented India at the Melbourne Olympic Games in 1956. This was his first Olympic event and he did not fare too well due to his inexperience and lack of international exposure. However, he learned a lot from the competition and this helped him to prepare well for future meets. The most important occasion in Milkha's career arrived in the form of Rome Olympic Games 1960. In the first heat of the 400 meter race, there Milkha covered the race in 47.6 seconds and finished second. In the second heat, he further improved his timing and grabbed the second position again with a timing of 46.5. It is here seconds. Karl Kaufmann of Germany had outclassed him this time. Outclassed का मीनिंग होता है किसी से अच्छा करना. ठीक है, तो in the semi-final heat he still finished at the second place, although this time he further improved the timing with 45.9 seconds, beaten only by Otis Davis of USA. In the final round of the coveted race, coveted means बहुत ही ज़्यादा desirous इवेंट हम कह सकते हैं क्योंकि वो फाइनल राउंड था. कोवेटेड रेस, मिल्खा वेंट ऑफ लाइक एन एरो एंड लेफ्ट ऑल अदर कॉम्पिटिटर्स बिहाइंड टिल द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 250 मीटर. इट वॉज देन दैट ही मिसकैलकुलेटेड हिज ओन स्पीड एंड committed the blunder of slowing down a bit. Although he tried very hard to recover, the other opponents who had lagged behind him caught up with him. The competition was so tough that Otis Davis and Carl Kaufman clocked 44.8 seconds, while Malcolm Spence of South Africa covered the race in 45.5 seconds. Milkha, who was initially leading the race, finished just 0.1 seconds later than Spence, clocking 45.6 seconds. The difference was so minute that the winning announcement was initially held up and declared after a photo finish. Thus, Milkha, who was a favorite for the gold medal, lost a bronze medal by a whisker. So this is actually a long paragraph. So now listen the explanation. Okay. Now, the time was when Milkha represented India at the Melbourne Olympic Games in 1956. Now, Milkha Singh was competing in the Olympics. This was his first Olympic event, okay, and he did not fare too well. Actually, this was the first experience of Olympics to Milkha. So, fare यहाँ पर meaning है perform, to perform. So, his performance was not satisfactory, but he tried well and he got a lot of experience from that event, means from this Olympic Games 1956. And due to inexperience and lack of international exposure, he was not able to perform better. Okay. After this, and so this actually Olympic gave him a lot of experience to prepare himself for the future events. Now, the most important occasion in Milkha's career was the Rome Olympic Games in 1960. Rome Olympic Games 1960 की बात अब आ जाती है. Now he is again representing India in Rome Olympic Games in 1960. इसमें क्या होता है बच्चों? For the final event of any race, the organizers has to conduct some heats. Okay, initial heats होती हैं रनिंग के लिए. जो फाइनल रेस होती है उससे पहले, because there are many competitors, many countries, so there are number of athletes. So to organize the final race, we conduct several heats. तो देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट हीट में, इन द फर्स्ट हीट ऑफ 400 मीटर रेस में मिल्खा ने उस रेस को 47.6 सेकंड्स में पूरा किया और सेकंड पोजीशन आई उसकी. He grabbed second position in the first heat. Now, in the second heat में क्या होता है? In the second heat, he further improved his timing and grabbed again second position with a timing of 46.5 seconds. Then, Carl Kaufman of Germany, he was the athlete of Germany, had outclassed, और आउटक्लास्ट का मीनिंग मैंने अभी आपको बताया था, किसी से अच्छा करना. तो जर्मनी का जो ये एथलीट था, इसने थोड़ा सा मिल्खा सिंह से ज्यादा अच्छी रेस लगाई, ज्यादा अच्छा टाइम निकाला इन द सेमीफाइनल हीट. और अब आ जाता है सेमीफाइनल हीट की. सेमीफाइनल हीट में ही स्टिल फिनिश्ड एट सेकंड, although this time he further improved the timing with 45.9 seconds, beaten only by Otis Davis of USA. तो सेमीफाइनल हीट में क्या होता है? अगेन मिल्खा सिंह got second position and with improved timing. इस बार उन्होंने अपना टाइमिंग और भी ज्यादा इंप्रूव किया और अब टाइमिंग उनका क्या रहा? 45.9 seconds, which was only beaten by Orton Davis of USA. USA का ये एथलीट था, इसकी फर्स्ट पोजीशन आई थी, तो इससे पीछे सेकंड पोजीशन मिल्खा सिंह की थी. ये बात हो रही है सेमीफाइनल राउंड की, सेमीफाइनल हीट की. अब नाउ सी इन द फाइनल राउंड ऑफ द कोवेटेड मीन्स बहुत ही, क्योंकि फाइनल राउंड था ये तो डिजायरस रेस हो गई है। मिल्खा वेंट ऑफ लाइक एन एरो, और मिल्खा बहुत तेजी से एकदम तीर की तरह दौड़े, एंड लेफ्ट ऑल अदर कॉम्पिटिटर्स बिहाइंड टिल द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 250 मीटर। इट वॉज देन, लेकिन स्टार्टिंग में उन्होंने फाइनल रेस जब स्टार्ट की तो उन्होंने वो सबसे आगे चल रहे थे, ओके, टिल द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 250 मीटर, तो 250 मीटर तक वो सबसे आगे थे फाइनल राउंड में। लेकिन उन्होंने क्या किया, अपनी एक थोड़ी सी मिस्टेक हो गई उनसे, एंड ही मिसकैलकुलेटेड हिज ओन स्पीड। उनको थोड़ा सा अंदाजा नहीं हो पाया अपनी स्पीड का, और उन्होंने एक बहुत ब्लंडर वहां पे की कि उनकी कुछ थोड़ी सी स्पीड स्लो हो गई, ओके। इट इज रिटन हियर, इट वॉज देन ही मिसकैलकुलेटेड हिज ओन स्पीड। उन्होंने अपनी स्पीड का गलत अंदाजा जज किया, लगाया, और फिर वहां पर उन्होंने थोड़ी सी ब्लंडर हो गई, अपनी स्पीड स्लो कर दी उन्होंने। तो हालांकि ऑल्दो ही ट्राइड वेरी हार्ड टू रिकवर, लेकिन आखिर में आके अब इसका फायदा जो अदर ओपोनेंट्स थे उन्होंने उठा लिया, एंड दे यू नो left Milkha Singh, and so the Milkha Singh tried to recover in the last phase of the race, but the race was going to be over, and you know Milkha Singh lost the race. But देखते हैं अब आगे लास्ट के फाइनल फेज में होता क्या है। द कॉम्पिटिशन वॉज, so the other opponents who had lagged behind him, lagged यानी पीछे रह जाना, अब उनसे आगे आ गए थे वो, क्योंकि मिल्खा सिंह ने एक ब्लंडर की थी ऑफ मिसजजिंग हिज स्पीड। और फिर क्या होता है, द कॉम्पिटिशन वॉज सो टफ दैट ओटिस डेविस और कार्ल जो थे उन्होंने टाइमिंग निकाला 44.8 सेकंड का, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद मेलकम स्पेंस ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका के थे, उन्होंने टाइम निकाला 45.5 सेकंड्स का, और मिल्खा सिंह हु इनिशियली लीडिंग द रेस फिनिश्ड जस्ट 0.1 सेकंड का अंतर रहा केवल स्पेंस से केवल 0.1 सेकंड कम रहे मिल्खा सिंह, और उनका टाइमिंग था 45.6 सेकंड्स। तो सो नाउ यू कैन सी there was only a minute difference, only 0.1 seconds difference was there, और इसी की वजह से मिल्खा सिंह lost a bronze medal by a whisker means बहुत ही small amount of difference से 0.1 सेकेंड से उन्होंने ब्रॉन्ज मेडल लूज कर दिया, ठीक है। तो ये यहां पर एक्सप्लेनेशन रहा आपका इस पैराग्राफ का, ओके। whisker means a very small amount, ठीक है। Then next para, Milkha won gold medals in both 200 meter and 400 meter events at the Tokyo Asian Games in 1958. And when the Asian Games were held in 1958, he got gold medal in 200 and 400. Cardiff Commonwealth Games held the same year, he won another gold medal, और Commonwealth Games में भी उन्होंने एक और गोल्ड मेडल जीता। During the 1950s, Singh's biggest rival was Abdul Khalik, a runner from Pakistan. अब बात करते हैं, अब देखो, अब बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग सी बात आती है। उस जमाने में मिल्खा सिंह के जो सबसे बड़े राइवल थे, ओपोनेंट जो थे, वो थे अब्दुल खालिक, जो कि पाकिस्तान से थे। In 1960, the Pakistani government invited Milkha Singh to compete in Pakistan, but Milkha, who was still scared by his terrible memories of the partition, refused. It was only after the then Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru persuaded him that Singh agreed to go to Pakistan. One of the spectators who turned up to see Khalik and Singh compete was General Ayub Khan, Pakistan's second president. Singh won the race. And when Khan was giving away the medals, he told Singh admiringly, "You did not run today, you flew." This remark gave Milkha Singh the nickname the Flying Sikh. That was to remain with him forever. तो होता क्या है बच्चों, once Milkha Singh was invited to Pakistan by the Pakistani government to compete in a race. There was a event, a competition which was organized in Pakistan, and Pakistani government specially invited Milkha Singh to compete in that race. But Milkha Singh refused because he was still scared. He was still, afraid of those incidents which he had to face in his childhood, when there was a partition and when the family members of Milkha Singh were killed in front of his eyes. So he was having all those, dreadful memories in his mind. So he refused. But when Indian Prime Minister at that time, it was Jawaharlal Nehru, he persuaded Milkha Singh, he convinced Milkha Singh and to go to Pakistan. So Milkha agreed, and when the race started, one of the spectators was Ayub Khan. He was the General Ayub Khan, and he was the second president of Pakistan. So he was also there. The race was won by Milkha Singh. Milkha Singh won the race, and when the prizes were given away by Ayub Khan, और फिर आयूब खान, अब देखो, बहुत ही शाबाशी के साथ एडमायर करते हुए मिल्खा सिंह को ये कहते हैं, क्या? यू डिड नॉट रन टुडे, आज आप दौड़े नहीं, उड़े हो. यू रन लाइक यू आर फ्लाइंग इन द एयर. यू फ्लू, आप दौड़े नहीं, आप तो उड़े आज. यानी ही वॉज वेरी मच इम्प्रेस्ड, एडमायर्ड. This remark gave Milkha Singh the nickname, और इसी रिमार्क की वजह से जो आयूब खान ने मिल्खा सिंह को दिया था, इसी रिमार्क की वजह से उनका नाम पड़ गया द फ्लाइंग सिख, because he said you didn't run, you flew. So the flying Sikh was, the title given to Milkha Singh forever. And the last para is, in 1958, the government of India bestowed the Padam Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of our country, on Milkha Singh to honor his outstanding athletic performance. So Indian government in 1958 awarded Milkha Singh the Padam Shri, the fourth highest civilian award. Singh has donated all the medals he has won to the Indian government, और उन्होंने सारे मेडल्स अपने इंडियन गवर्नमेंट को डोनेट कर दिए, that were to be kept at the Sports Museum in Patiala. In 2013, a film Bhag Milkha Bhag based on Singh's life was released, and you must have seen that movie. The film is really based on the real life story of Milkha Singh, and Farhan Akhtar was the actor. He acted, was the actor as Milkha Singh, gave the public a chance to watch the inspiring journey of a true champion who has battled hardships and challenges to become a legend in his own lifetime. So this film showcased the struggles, the difficulties which Milkha Singh faced in his life, and it also showed the training part, how he joined the army, the training period of Milkha Singh, how he worked hard in his, in improving his running efforts, and the struggles in his life. All these challenges, struggles were to be faced by Milkha Singh. So this is a movie, and those who have not seen, you should watch this movie. once.